Good
Hi.
morning, folk. Hi, I'm Kamlesh Golhani, and I'm teaching here landscaping and horticulture at College of Agriculture, State University, Bhopal. You know the term itself indicating landscaping. Of course, something is related to the land and its escapes. So the things come that why that subject has gradually become so important. Matter of fact, that all these things we are aware of. If we are going college or any places like gardens, we are moving to the highways, we generally come to interact with the greeneries. But can we know that all these greeneries have such great and huge importance? For an example, if you are going in a very long tour, and if there is only desert, so how will you enjoy your long journey? You need some, greeneries so that make your journey interesting, and you will feel like along with the climate or the weather you're enjoying the greenery. So greenery has utmost importance at every places. Say at the malls, now the people are preparing to the many indoors in house. Everyone's keeping the indoors like palms and all, and our houses also we are keeping the palms and different types of the aloe vera and cactus. So, dear folk, now I come to the point how that we can classify the landscaping. And general point of view, landscaping, of course, it is related to the place where we are building some big infrastructure. At the empty space, we will provide some lawn and then grow some palms, some plants, some seasonal flowers, some annual flowers. But and second part, the landscaping covers the interior and exterior designing of our houses, where we can put the kitchen gardens and then grow some flowers. And third thing is a kind of nursery or gardens where we design that particular focus on the landscape. So now we reach in the three things. One is the landscaping at the infrastructure, landscaping at the house, and the landscaping at the garden. So in detail, if we go one by one, so start with that infrastructure or that the space occupying the greenery at the big buildings. So its design you need some advanced mapping, and that advanced mapping you need some lawn, yeah, because one of the greatest feature, and you need some focal point where you can put a fountain or the Buddha statue, or some work with the marbles. And if we come to that house, so it's completely depend on that what the space you have. So that space you can occupy specifically for the escaping at the house. You doesn't need so much time for the preparation. At least here you need some great interest. But third thing, which we call as the planning of a garden, here you need expertise. So here we go for understanding all these things from basic to the advanced one, from down to its top. All things we will cover in our weekly series, along with one expert economist we will call. There we will discuss the flowers, economic importance. And one more in the last I want to tell that I am from India, and India is a country where is the diversity of the plants, flora and fauna. There is the one city like Bangalore, where the city is called as the city of flower. Jaipur, which is a pink city, where every colors of the pink. We have Srinagar, there is a world famous tulip garden, and there is a Chandigarh where you will get the gardens of the rocks. So as long as from the heart of India, I'm here, and I will engage and I will take you some practicals as well as take you some the trip. All these things we are taking you in a very soon an online mode. Thank you very much. Be with me. Thanks.